you sack? You or me?
I don't remember. I had a couple of them in the game, so I don't remember.
A big pet sack? How many times can you do that?
It's
Once a minute or what?
it is
Minute and a half?
1 minute cooldown.
Oh yeah. Why not?
It's basically like a shadow dance. Play with a month. You ready for this, Wanky? Show this warrior where he belongs. Couldn't sell it.
Couldn't sell it. Yeah, I think this is where Lumen.
Golden Goose. I know this guy. Revenge Andy.
Revenge Andy and Golden Goose. Hook you and the Duker. Like that.
Hook you and the Duker. What a name. Alright, dude.
Hold on, he's got plenty of hot sauce.
I know, but okay. I said he was gonna pop me out. I didn't wanna. 3.
Mark them up. Yeah, you can start casting if it comes on.
Okay. Go now.
Whatever, just.
Scatter.
Icon.
Lock. Okay. Now we're doing it.
Sure.
Oh my god. Just go. Oh my god. Let's go to the record.
Doing it.